If you've ever had the privilege of driving to school, then an image like this might look familiar to you. A school lot with a lot of cars occupying most of the spaces, and usually the spaces are assigned, so there shouldn't even be too much confusion. But that's not always how it works out.
Here's a map of all of the parking spaces at The Ohio State University. It includes garages and surface lots. With all of these spaces available, you'd think that it'd be very easy to find parking at The Ohio State University. Unfortunately, these spaces are shared with thousands of students, faculty, and other visitors. While parking garages at OSU display parking lot availability, the surface lots at Ohio State University do not do so. If only there is a way for people driving by surface lots to know how many available spaces are in the parking lot. Well, that's what Team Spotify is here to fix.
This is the system of our final solution. Using the ESP32 microcontroller that acts as the brain, and two sensors on either side of the road, we'll be able to count how many cars are coming in or out of a service lot and display that number on a parking display.
The sensors work by emitting sound waves and bouncing them off of a passing object. Those sound waves are then received by the sensor, and we get a distance from that recording, and then we can determine if both sensors are tripped, then we have a car here, whereas if we just had one, then it might be a bike, it might be a person, pedestrian, and we don't want to include that in our count.
All the energy needed for our solution comes from the sun collected by our solar panel. And this will make our system be self-sufficient. Our project helped to remove some frustration to finding parking outside. And if you haven't driven yet, you will understand the frustration soon.